Welcome back to Natural Health. Today, we're cutting through the noise and getting real about hair growth. I get tons of questions about growing longer, stronger hair, but there's so much misinformation out there. Forget the questionable DIYs. Today, it's all about science-backed tips and expert-approved hacks. We'll cover ingredients, techniques, and lifestyle changes that actually make a difference. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could make or break your hair growth journey. Let's dive in. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Think of it as the soil for your hair. Just like plants need rich, well-tended earth to thrive, your hair depends on the condition of your scalp to grow strong and beautiful. If the scalp is neglected, hair can become weak, brittle, or slow to grow. That's why scalp care is the foundation of any effective hair care routine. Scalp care is hair care. When you nurture your scalp, you're setting the stage for healthier, more resilient hair from root to tip. Regular scalp massages boost blood flow, delivering nutrients right to your follicles. This increased circulation helps to wake up dormant follicles and encourages new growth, making your hair look fuller and more vibrant. Just a few minutes a day can increase hair thickness over time. Consistency is key. Think of it as a daily ritual that pays off with visible results. Use your fingertips, not nails, in gentle circular motions, focusing on all areas of your scalp. This not only feels relaxing, but also helps to loosen buildup and stimulate the skin. Or try a silicone scalp massager for extra exfoliation. These tools can help remove dead skin cells and product residue, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed and clean. Clean, stimulated follicles are essential for growth. When your scalp is free from buildup and well-nourished, your hair has the best chance to grow thick and strong. Do this daily, even in the shower, and your scalp will thank you. Make it a mindful moment. Relax, breathe, and enjoy the process. It's a simple, effective way to support your hair's natural growth cycle. Don't skip it. Healthy hair truly does begin at the scalp, so give yours the care and attention it deserves. Your diet is crucial for hair growth. There are truly no shortcuts here. The foods you choose every day don't just fuel your body, they also provide the essential building blocks for strong, vibrant hair. If you want your hair to look its best, you have to start from the inside out. Hair is made almost entirely of protein, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough in your diet. Without adequate protein, your hair can become weak, brittle, and more prone to breakage or even shedding. Great sources of protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and tofu. Try to include a variety of these in your meals throughout the week to give your hair the nutrients it needs to grow and stay healthy. Biotin, a B vitamin found in foods like eggs, almonds, and sweet potatoes, is especially important because it supports keratin production, the protein that makes up your hair. If you're lacking biotin, you might notice your hair becoming thinner or more fragile. Iron is another vital nutrient for hair health. Low iron levels can lead to hair shedding and even hair loss. You can get iron from red meat, spinach, lentils, and other leafy greens. Pairing these foods with vitamin C-rich options helps your body absorb iron more effectively. Don't forget about vitamin C, which boosts iron absorption, vitamin E for a healthy scalp, and zinc, which helps repair hair tissue and keeps oil glands around the follicles working properly. A deficiency in any of these can impact your hair's strength and shine. The best approach is to focus on a balanced diet filled with colorful fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide a wide range of vitamins and minerals that all play a role in keeping your hair looking its best. While supplements can help fill in the gaps, whole foods are always the best source of nutrients. They're more easily absorbed by your body and come with additional benefits like fiber and antioxidants. Remember, what you eat truly shows up in your hair. Feed your body well, and your hair will thank you with strength, shine, and resilience. If you suspect you might have a deficiency, or if you're experiencing sudden hair loss, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before starting any supplements. They can help you identify what your body really needs. Ultimately, healthy hair starts from within. Nourish your body, and your hair will reflect your efforts, shiny, strong, and full of life. Heat styling is one of the biggest enemies of hair growth. High heat damages your hair's protective cuticle, causing breakage and preventing length retention. Embrace your natural texture, air dry when possible, and always use a heat protectant if you must style. Try heatless styling methods. Braids, silk rods, or even socks for curls. The less heat, the stronger your hair. Give your hair a break from hot tools and watch it thrive. Protect your progress by minimizing heat exposure. Treat your hair like delicate fabric. Gentleness is key. Avoid harsh shampoos with sulfates. Opt for sulfate-free gentle cleansers. After washing, gently squeeze out water and use a microfiber towel or soft t-shirt to dry. Detangle from ends to roots with a wide-tooth comb and use leave-in conditioner for slip. Avoid tight hairstyles and metal hair ties that cause breakage. Choose silk or satin scrunchies for less tension. Small gentle changes add up to healthier, longer hair. Handle with care, especially when wet. Your hair will thank you. Trimming your hair might sound counterintuitive, but it's essential for growth. Trims don't speed up growth at the root, but they prevent split ends from traveling up the strand and causing breakage. Regular, small trims, every 10-12 weeks, keep ends healthy and help you retain length. Communicate with your stylist. You want minimal length off just to remove damage. Don't fear the scissors. Embrace trims as part of your growth strategy. Healthy ends mean longer hair over time. Consistency is key. Trim to win. Plant oils like rosemary and peppermint are gaining significant scientific support for their role in promoting hair growth and scalp health. These natural oils, long used in traditional remedies, are now being recognized by modern research for their impressive benefits. Rosemary oil, when properly diluted in a carrier oil such as jojoba or coconut, has been shown to boost hair count and thickness. In some studies, its effects are comparable to minoxidil, a common over-the-counter hair growth treatment, but rosemary oil tends to cause less scalp irritation and is generally better tolerated. Peppermint oil is another powerful option. It increases blood flow to the scalp, which helps nourish hair follicles and can stimulate new growth. The cooling sensation also feels refreshing and invigorating during application. Always remember to dilute essential oils in a carrier oil like jojoba, coconut, or argan oil. Never apply them directly to your skin or scalp, as they can be too potent and cause irritation. It's also important to patch test the mixture on your inner arm before full use to check for any allergic reactions. For best results, massage the oil blend gently into your scalp as a pre-shampoo treatment once or twice a week. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes before washing your hair as usual. This routine can help nourish your scalp and support healthier, stronger hair over time. Incorporating natural oils into your hair care routine can be a powerful, safe, and enjoyable way to support hair growth and overall scalp wellness. Many people notice softer, shinier hair and improved scalp comfort after regular use. For the best possible results, combine your oil treatment with a gentle scalp massage. This helps increase circulation, ensures even distribution, and makes your self-care routine even more relaxing. Stress can trigger hair loss by pushing follicles into a resting phase. The good news, stress-related shedding is usually temporary if you manage your stress. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or regular exercise to lower cortisol. Prioritize sleep, connect with loved ones, and make time for hobbies. Don't wait for burnout. Be proactive about relaxation. A calm mind supports healthy hair growth. Managing stress is self-care for your hair. Take care of your mind, and your hair will follow. That's it. 7 science-backed hacks for your hair growth journey. Remember, results come from consistency, not quick fixes. Show up for your hair every day and be patient. The bonus tip: consistency is the real secret to success. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your favorite tip in the comments. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you next time. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.